Oh my god, it's so cold and windy.
Yeah, it's like strong enough for someone to get blown away. Whoa! Oh no.
I'm cold. I want hot chocolate.
Stop.
I want my blankie.
Shut up.
I want pussy.
God, Cody, you're not the only one. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna warm our chairs up. Hugging.
Do you really mean that? Ah, he really means that.
Warmth.
Okay, is this better than pussy?
No.
Okay, just checking.
Oh, my knee.
Then I punched him in the face. He's laid on the ground and he told me I look like, that one guy from, fuck. Dude, how long? How far are we walking?
20 meters.
Yeah.
20 meters. How you get from the backyard to middle of nowhere?
The blizzard. Did you not feel what just happened?
Not really.
Oh, wow.
A bridge. I'll take refuge under there. Not as fun as the other one. Guys, I can't believe I'm found you. Get out of here! Guys, no! It's me!
Oh, dude! It's Harold.
Hey.
Dude. I thought you were a mugger.
Give me up!
Come on.
Come on, give me your hand!
You're so fat. Come on, man. Lose weight.
Oh, not again! Whoa!
Bye. Yummy. Found my friends. I ain't taking this woman by its ass. Try to look cool, but it didn't work. Alright, Sword, you hear me? Kick your snowy ass! Ah! Harold! Oh my god, there you are! Cold! I'm cold too! Oh god! Alright, what happened?
I don't know.
The last thing I know, you just flew away from the wind.
Well, I'm back now.
I could see that. Did anything happen on your way back?
Well, let's see. I fell down the hill. I was in pain. I met Charlie and Cody.
What? You met Charlie and Cody? Where were they?
They were... Wait, where are you right now?
We're at my house.
They were that way.
That's the woods.
Yeah.
Do you know what that means?
What?
They're dead. They're dead.
But they can't be. I just saw them 5 seconds ago.
5 seconds is enough time to kill somebody. Our friends are dead. Let's make a memorial of them. We didn't even like them anyway, but we
What are you doing?
You see. It's like art. Cody was here.
No, Cody was not here!
I was doing that so people could find our bodies.
The snow is going to melt.
At least you got a shovel to remember about them.
What does this shovel have anything to do with our friends?
Well, I was gonna use it to look for them, but you know, we can't break into their houses because we don't have their keys.
You live with Charlie though.
I ain't going in his bedroom. Anything you want to say to them? Say about them?
I'm gonna miss you guys because we, you know, did stuff.
That's too long. Cody, you were a
That's too
retard,
long.
an idiot. You're okay. Charlie,
Good enough. Good enough.
you owe me a lot
Good
of
enough.
money.
Good enough, man. Good enough. You're gonna make me cry.
Whatever. All right, so now what do we do? We can't bury them.
Let's just dig a hole, cry in them. At least something will go in the hole.
Yeah, sure, that's a good idea. Hey guys, we're making a memorial for dead bodies.
That's so sweet. You guys, friends.
Whoa! No way, it's you guys!
Yeah.
What?
They're alive!
We're alive.
Ghost!
Yeah. Oh! No,
No,
we're alive. We're alive.
They're alive, they're alive. Group hug! Okay, no, this is just weird.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go order some pizza.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Oh, you wanted that pussy, right? Come on, let's go.
Yeah. But I want to cry.
Told you I missed. Again.
You got me in the chest.
All right, let's build us a snowman.
Yeah, what?
Build us a snowman.
What?
Tackle again.
Ow, my chin!
Sorry.
Alright.